It's time for another Access Learning Zone video quiz. Today's quiz is for advanced level users. Gonna ask you 5 questions, and they'll come up fast. I'm only gonna give you a few seconds to answer each one, so hit that pause button if you need more time. Keep track of your score. We'll go over how you did at the end. Are you ready? Here we go. Question 1. When using the OpenForm macro action, what is a where condition primarily used for? Sorting the records alphabetically, opening the form at a specific matching record, changing the form's design, or selecting the database table to use. That's a where condition. It's for opening the form at a specific matching record. Question 2. Which form control event is appropriate when you want an action to occur after a user double-clicks that control? On click, on double-click, on load, or on current? Duh, the answer is right in the question. Question 3. In an access expression, what does the ampersand operator do? Adds 2 numeric values only, joins text and values together, compares 2 values for equality, or starts a comment. That's B. It joins text and values together, or text and text, or values and values. It joins stuff together. It's the concatenation operator. Question 4. What is the access expression IsNull some field check for? Whether the field contains a 0, whether the field has no value, whether the field contains duplicate data, or whether the field is a primary key. Null values have no value. That's B. And question 5. What is the purpose of an if-then-else block in an access macro? To run every action in the macro twice, to choose actions based on whether a condition is true, to save the current record automatically, or to convert a form into a report. That's going to be B, to choose actions based on whether a condition is true. So how'd you do? Did you get all 5 right? Were you able to automate the whole office before lunch? Or did your macro security say nope? If you missed any, these topics and a lot more are covered in my Access Advanced Level 1 Lesson 3 class, Making Macros Smart. Thanks for playing. Be sure to post your score down in the comments, and until next time, live long and prosper.